All right, good morning, boys. What is up? Today is February 18th, Wednesday, I believe. Pretty shitty day today in a good and bad way. So we blew our Tradeify evals. We did pass, or not pass, we halfway passed our Lucid evals, right? Which is kind of fucking stupid. If you guys tuned into live trading today, you saw my stop loss got filled. I took an L on live today. I took 2 L's on live and then 1 win off live. That sounds so scammy, but that's exactly what happened. And essentially, my stop loss got filled, and I think I put a limit sell or limit buy instead of limit sell as my stop loss. And when my stop got filled, instead of my order being flattened, it actually added to my order. So I was in longs here, and I that's what blew my fucking accounts basically, because I was risking a lot on the 150s, right? So coming into market open, what did I see? I said this, literally, I said this pre-market. I said, I want to see us sweep London lows in this 4-hour gap and then push higher. Why? We are in OTE of this bullish range. We're in a 4-hour gap, and we have this unfilled daily gap above us. That's a weekly time frame. Unfilled daily gap above us, right? So at this point in time, I'm like, all right, fuck. I want price to be bullish. We come all the way down here. We get a 5-minute change in state and delivery. We have an unfilled 15-minute gap. I'm like, all right, sure. I like this a lot. I long off this candle closure with my stop loss like right here. Above this order block. Terrible stop loss placement. Terrible stop loss placement. But essentially on this trade, it was a 35-point stop loss. And it was a 35-point take profit, I think. Because I was just going for a 1-to-1. I didn't think price actually wanted to retrace all the way down into this order block. That's rare. This is the trade I took. And essentially, I was going for a 1-to-1 to that unfilled 15-minute gap. And I see price stops me out. I was in 1 mini with my 150Ks copy trading with an X3 multiplier. And I enter 1 mini. Now, when I get stopped out, instead of being filled 1 buy limit, I got filled... or 1 sell limit, I got filled 1 buy limit, and my fucking position just reversed on me, and I ended up losing like $1,200 off the bat, which was so fucking stupid, and I was so irritated. But bounce back. I ended up taking this long here. I really liked it. We closed above this order block right here. Stops were right here. So original stops were down here. Take profit was up here. And then what do I see? Or sorry, wait, I'm stupid. Something like this. This was the trade I took, which by the way, I don't see a need for price to push down. This isn't me coping. I'm just actually curious on what the fuck NQ is doing retracing so deep. We did tap into this bearish OTE range and then push lower. And then we did the exact opposite. We tapped into this range. 0.618 to the tick, right? Alerted this trade live on stream, and then I hopped off. And then I took this right here. Basically an inverse. I don't enter off inverses. I like the displacement that we got. Stops right here, off 0.618 of the range, targeting this high, right? Made all my wins, made all my losses back plus more. Because on this trade, what I did, when price went up here, instead of going break even, I actually trailed my stop to this low. So I took a little loss there, small loss on that trade. And then, oh, I just realized you guys can't see this, sorry. I took a small loss on this trade, and then I re-entered here. Now my Tradeify 150K select accounts, sadly, those were my most valuable assets at the moment. They were $6 out of $9,000 passed. I was supposed to pass them today. Unfortunately, they got blown due to a trade of 8 error, which is probably my fault. I think I'm the one who put the stop loss wrong, but I'm going to blame it on trade of 8 because I just hate that shit. Cannot wait for TradeC to build copy trading. They haven't done it yet. I just spoke with their team. They're going to send me merch. I'm going to be a TradeC affiliate, I think. I don't know how the fuck that works, but they're going to send me merch, which is fucking awesome. Right? And yeah, I have this trade right here that I took. Longs played out, and then I got my accounts essentially almost passed. Let me show you guys a screenshot of where the accounts are sitting at. And this is without the copy trader, of course. The lead account is not in this frame, but made $1,200 per account. The accounts are basically halfway past. Not too bad for 2 L's and 1 win. I full ported the win, by the way, on Eval because my accounts were about to be blown, so might as well, you know, full ported the evals. I do that a lot. Full transparency. If I'm down on an eval, I'm just gonna double my risk and hope on the next trade that banks, right? That's how I trade evals. Obviously, on a real funded account, I would have traded 1 mini per entry. I also, on a real funded account, I wouldn't have been stopped out of this trade. Stop loss would have been down here. Take profit would have been up here, and this would have smacked. That's another thing. But since I was on eval, I was risking more, so I had to try to stop. But yeah, with that being said, if you guys have any questions about any of these trades, let me make this small. I don't know why it was so big. If you guys have any questions about any of these trades, pretty simple day, right? 0.61 to the range, 1 minute IFEG, targeting this high. Draw on the day was this unfilled gap resting above us. And our draw on ES was London highs, which was right here. So in my opinion, it was a pretty obvious buy model today. We had a daily gap to fill on NQ and London highs to fill on ES. I need to move my screen more so you guys can see this shit. All right, so this is obviously the trade of the day. Now that's just hindsight because this is also a great trade right here. No need for us to retrace that deep, but we did retrace into 0.618. Pretty clean trade to the upside. If you guys have any questions about this or you want to join, tune into live trading, tune into the Discord. I'll leave a link for that in the bio. With that being said, I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I will see you boys tomorrow. Peace out.